I don't live near your facility. I live in Bee Cave, and I felt like very disconnected. And I said I would like to connect in some way. And then I had a patio pal came a few months ago, and she's just darling, and we really liked each other right off the bat.
Shirley is wonderful. We clicked instantly, and we get along really well. I first met her a couple months ago. I just went over to her place and we just talked for I think 2 hours. And since we've gotten bagels, she came to see me in a show. My boyfriend and I went over there for Rosh Hashanah dinner. We have a lot of fun together, and I'd say we're just friends.
And then she says, what are you doing for Rosh Hashanah? And I said, but I really have no plans. I have no family here anymore, and I nothing. Well, let's get together. So they came for dinner, cleaned up everything. She said, we don't want to leave you with any mess at all. And it's an ongoing friendship now, so I feel I'm more connected with the Jewish community now than I was in the past, you know.
Shalom Austin truly values our older population. We always want to make sure that we provide services from birth to Bubby, and we specifically have a strong focus on how we are catering to the needs of our older adults in the Jewish community. From our Shalom Austin 60+ programming, where we offer both in-person and Zoom classes, from classes through the JCC that have a health and wellness focus on our older population, and then through Shalom Austin Jewish Family Service, we have robust case management services.
Volunteering with Shalom Austin has shaped my broader Jewish experience beyond just volunteering with Shirley, because it's really introduced me to the Jewish community here.
We are all looking for a sense of belonging and to feel inspired in our Jewish journeys, and volunteering is a key way and an integral part of the whole Jewish experience.
I would definitely recommend getting involved with Shalom Austin. I know that Shirley and I have just had the best time getting to know each other. When I'm older, I hope that young people get to know me and want to become friends with me, and don't just see me as somebody who's decades removed from them and couldn't possibly relate to them, because I've seen through my friendship with Shirley that that's not true at all.
I am so grateful for Shalom Austin, and it's a wonderful organization, it really is. And if you need help in any way at all, just call them and they'll send somebody out to you, So that's been great.